Alright, so we're here at part 2 of the video. So we've gone ahead and accessed the cleanout that's right next to the bathroom here, located in the guest structure. So the line extends out and connects up to that main line, which is running basically parallel to the guest structure here in the back, and then out towards the alley in the back of the street. So we've gone ahead and pushed out to the middle of the alley, and then we're looking at that connection to the public sewer. So we're going to be coming from that public sewer back up to this access. Now, the material that we're in right here is a short section of vitrified clay, which has had a lining system run through it. So, vitrified clay is a very common material for main sewer lines, has a long service life expectancy. However, it's more susceptible to damage during earthquakes and seismic activity, and it also has a tendency that's run on the inside of a pipe. More often than not, it's done on these sections of vitrified clay, and essentially what it does is it seeks to fill in those joint areas, those gaps. You might have the roots penetrating the pipe, and it also seeks to help remedy minor surface cracking in the line. So it's promoted as a rehabilitation method. While I can't comment as to the condition of the material, I can't comment as to the exact material that was used for the lining system and whether it was permitted work. I can see that so far that liner seems to be holding up fine. It was pushed out long enough, and it's functioning as intended. Here we have a short section of ABS plastic. We described that in an earlier video, that ABS plastic is a modern plastic pipe, long service life, smoother surface, and it's intended to be impervious to roots. Now we're converting back into a section of pipe that's had the lining system run through it, and we're looking at essentially the same situation. I can't say whether or not the lining system was an approved lining system, but it seems to have been installed correctly, and it's holding. Now, here's part of the issue. Is here at about 30 feet, we're looking essentially, it's a cast iron pipe, that's had that lining system run through it in this later part. And then we have a section of cast iron which has no lining system. Now, where this creates an issue is that because of the exposed vitrified clay, the exposed section of cast iron, it's possible that cleanings are going to need to be done periodically in order to maintain the line properly. However, you don't want to be doing cleanings through sections of lining systems. That can create issues and actually tear up the liner and be cause for complete replacement. Now, this is a little bit more of a clear shot of the cast iron, and I just want you to get an idea of, we have the resin scale buildup, but we also can see that the bottom of the pipe is almost completely leveled off. And this is a pretty late stage of the deterioration in terms of the age of cast iron pipes. And again, it's something, while it's not immediately broken, it's something that basically indicates that the line is very old and will need to be replaced in the near future. Now here at 15 feet, we're converting off of that main sewer line, and we're accessing into the building drain line, we're accessing the main sewer line for the guest structure. And it's basically a horizontal path that's coming in. Now this one there's a little bit more concern on. You can see there we start seeing roots coming into the system. We shouldn't really be seeing roots in a cast iron pipe, especially to the degree that we're seeing them right now. And this is going to need to be cleaned out for sure. Alright, we're going to be pulling out of this clean out. Just want to orient you to where we're at. So you can see we're here in this bathroom. Pool's right over there, so there is another bathroom over there. And the clean out access is right down there. Okay, so with that, I'm going to be wrapping up the video portion of the examination for today. Once again, this is Victor Jimenez with Sewerline Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.